Tornado warning! Oh God!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for north central Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee until 6:45 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles west of Ashland City, moving at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Dixon, southeastern Montgomery, and northern Cheatham counties, including the following locations: Pleasant View and Cheatham Dam. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. Taking a look at your...
Okay. I'm just going over to West now, thanks to you guys over there, and just reporting about that tornado warning that just got issued from Nashville. And as you can see, these storms have been rapidly intensifying. I know my battery's dying. Look at that. That thing's just demonic. I can't put it into words. Oh boy.